Get ready for a cinematic breakthrough in the world of TV and projectors. Introducing the world's most powerful 4K projector, capable of delivering a massive 150-inch picture. The Ultra Short Throw technology brings true 4K experience to transform the way you watch TV. We used ALPD 3.0 technology to double light efficiency, create superior color, and highest brightness out there. ALPD 3.0 is the same technology used in top movie theaters around the world, which means you get gigantic movie theater experience in your own home. 4K resolution with HDR10 brings you a new level of definition. Blacks are deeper, whites are brighter. VAVA extends the limits of imagination and takes you further than ever before. Enjoy mind-blowing sound quality with a built-in soundbar from Harman Kardon that's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The VAVA laser projector combines the most advanced features of the latest TVs and projectors while solving the pain points of both. Let's start with the size. Current TVs can reach around 75 inches. VAVA laser projector projects up to 150 inches 4K image, which is 4 times the size. In the past, you could not walk in front of the projector. It created shadows. Also, professional installations are expensive. VAVA's Ultra Short Throw floor mat means the projector sits straight against the wall, delivering a cleaner look and saving you costs on mounting and installation. Traditional projectors require expensive bulb replacements. VAVA uses laser technology, which lasts 25,000 hours. This is up to 10 times longer than regular projector bulbs, which means you won't ever have to change bulbs again, ever. Let's talk safety. When you're watching TV, you're getting thousands of lights beamed straight into your eyes. With the VAVA projector, the image is reflected off a surface, significantly reducing eye strain.
No other projector or TV combines all the benefits of a 150-inch 4K picture screen and an ultra short throw laser projection at the price of a standard 82-inch TV.
The VAVA projector will change the understanding of what's possible in the movie screening world.
We've done all the research and design, and we have a working prototype. Help us get it to the mass production and make the VAVA projector available to everyone. Thank you.
The VAVA Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. It's time to bring the theater home.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Carlos. I'm here at Epson America's new headquarters in Southern California, and I'm very excited to show you the new EpiqVision Ultra LS500 laser projection TV. For the first time, we're bringing up to 120 inches to your living room, and it's actually affordable. A bigger picture creates a much more immersive experience. 100 inches is not just 15 inches more than 85, it's actually 40% bigger. And if you go to the 120 inches solution, you're getting twice as big of a picture. The technology behind the Epson laser projection TV is that of an ultra short throw laser projector. Laser means virtually no maintenance with no bulbs to replace, and ultra short throw means the projector sits only a few feet away from the wall. The laser projection TV is driven by 3-chip, 3 LCD design. That means that we're using the 3 primary colors to produce amazing color brightness, up to 4,000 lumens in color and up to 4,000 lumens in white. So what is the resolution of this TV? It's based on Epson's 4K Pro UHD technology for an amazing 4K experience. Because this TV is so bright, the HDR performance is just amazing. For those of you who want to fine-tune the HDR, we've built in an HDR control that allows you to adjust it based on your preference and viewing environment. What's super impressive is that even in an environment in which you have the lights on or open curtains, the picture looks super bright. That's thanks to the projector design, ultra short throw, and the ambient light rejection screen we paired it with. For those of you excited about the next generation gaming consoles, good news, the Epson laser projection TV supports 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR. This TV has 2 available HDMI ports, both of them supporting the 2.0 standard, and that means 18 gigabits per second. One of them supports auto return channel as well to connect an external audio system. This TV comes with a set of stereo speakers that are hidden behind the mesh. But we really recommend you to hook up an external sound system that matches up with this great picture. It also produces no glare, so there's no reflections. It has over 170 degrees of viewing angle, so the picture holds regardless of where you're standing in the room. It weighs under 30 pounds, so it's pretty easy to hang it from the wall, and there's no wires to hide. To facilitate access to content, we've partnered with the leading brand that developed the operating system. We're bringing to you Google's Android TV, which gives you access with their stores to hundreds of applications that you can download. The screen is a critical component to the Epson laser projection TV system, so we decided to design it and engineer it ourselves. It's the Epson Silver Flex screen. This is the 100-inch version. We also produced a 120-inch version. And the beauty of it is that it rejects the light coming from different places, but it optimizes at the same time the light coming from the projector for the best viewing experience. We've covered a lot in this video, but you really had to see it with your own eyes to believe. Go to epson.com/TV to find the closest demo center to you, and don't be afraid to bring your own content to judge it.